Okay, my little cheap ass camera cut off, but let me get back to fussing. Yeah, some of y'all ain't giving me the same support. I'm streaming your video and watching because I got some of y'all have some good videos and I'm watching. Some of y'all I stream, but I'm supporting, and most of y'all is not. You're not doing the same for me. I feel so freaking foolish. Why am I wasting my time helping, grow your channel by subscribing and helping you accomplish your goal of being monetized by getting your view watch time up, and y'all not giving me the same support? And a lot of subscribers, they just, I don't know, they just subscribers that don't really want to support you. They just want to grow their channel in numbers so that they can, if they do got the watch hours, they just need a certain number of subscribers to help them get to where they going. And that's crazy too. I don't appreciate all that either. And yeah, and then the ones that call themselves churchified, thinking that y'all ain't, church folks ain't getting into heaven no faster than the rest of us, okay? All have sinned and come short of the glory of God, and y'all ain't getting there no faster than the rest of us. And if you hear me saying whatever I say on my videos and y'all don't disagree with that, sure, don't watch, but don't let me catch you on somebody else's channel and they cussing 1,000 miles an hour and you over there supporting them, but you can't support my channel. The hell with y'all. Again, I put my little sign back up. Y'all ain't doing me no favors anyway. So if you ain't doing right by supporting my channel like I'm supporting yours, just don't come over. Just let me in time, I guess I'll get there. And I ain't got to kiss nobody ass. Y'all ain't got to kiss mine. And I'm about to stop doing all that full support of all, and not all of y'all, cuz some of y'all, some of my good Y2 YouTube subscribers are supporting me, and I know who you are, so don't worry. I'm still fully watching your videos, and I'm gonna keep your videos up in my playlist in case somebody come across my channel and do appreciate what's in there on my friends playlist, gardeners and all that kind of stuff like that. But some of y'all, yeah, I felt away. You don't even know my name. You don't know how to spell my name. That mean you ain't been looking at my channel name, and man, this is a hot ass mess. And let me get back, you church folks, y'all keep y'all little churchy asses where y'all at, and believe me, you ain't getting in heaven no faster than the rest of y'all. Ain't without sin. Y'all ain't all holy 100%. Just check yourselves, cause y'all ain't all about all that. Okay? And my channel is just as good as anybody else's channel. I got good content, great creations, all that good stuff. Some of y'all so selfish and bougie and just all these other things that I ain't even gonna say, but y'all are very, very selfish. I should say it all. It doesn't even matter, because y'all ain't gonna watch this shit no goddamn way. The hell with all y'all that pretend to be over here supporting my channel. Y'all ain't supporting shit. Y'all see these goddamn pumpkin seeds? I'm about to roast these pumpkin seeds. And anyway, this video I'm making right now is not for children. So anyway, this is about pumpkin. I'm making pumpkin bread, pumpkin cookies, all that good shit. My husband and I going to enjoy. A little sugar and all that stuff, but he's still going to enjoy it. But anyway, the hell with all y'all non-supporting ass folks coming over here pretending like y'all watching my stuff. And I don't know, you're going to go to spam. You probably ain't here but a second. And that's probably just so you don't go to spam. Y'all ain't watching nothing. You guys are so selfish, inconsiderate, and just full of, y'all just full of shit. Y'all ain't helping support my damn channel. I should have been at my damn watch hours. Y'all are not streaming my videos. I can't depend on none of you folks. I pray to God that he bless me with some people that truly, with some more people, with more people that truly appreciate my content that I am creating on YT. And I hope that there aren't any Trump supporters running YouTube, because I don't know why my time is, I'm only getting a point here and a point there on my watch view hours. And like, what the hell? Okay, I can't say, like I did say, that y'all ain't truly watching my videos, but some of my videos are out there being clicked on and watched by non-subscribers, which is good. And I think that is probably the only way I am getting the little bit of points I'm getting in the first place. But like I said, I hope there ain't no Trump supporters in charge, because I have mentioned I don't like Trump. I ain't voted for Trump. Damn Trump. And that's it. That's all. That's everything. I don't care about no Trump. And if y'all, some of my subscribers, y'all do like Trump, then that's fine. Y'all like Trump. I don't have to like Trump. Y'all don't have to dislike me for not liking Trump to not come and support my channel that you ain't supporting in the first place. Yeah, y'all still staring at them damn pumpkin seeds I got to clean. I put the damn pumpkin, I don't think I showed y'all, I cut the pumpkin, put it on the pan, I cut it in half, and I put that pumpkin, 2 half pumpkins in the oven now. They're going to be cooking, I guess, for an hour. And when they get tender, I'm going to take the flesh out and make whatever I'm going to make and come back and, and let you see all that. But anyway, the hell with you non-supporting ass people. And I do accept the apology of the people that did mispronounce my name or misspell my name and calling me Juanita instead of my name. Which y'all, if you care, you will look at the title of my channel. I'm saying my name all the time. But anyway, hopefully, and you the folks that I was watching the videos, in full, supporting you 100%. I don't think y'all folks supporting me 100% because I should have more time. That's what I'm just fretting about. I should have more time. A lot of you folks, I'm thinking some of y'all that I believe was my #1 supporters. Not all, but some of y'all is not giving me the same support. And this is what I'm about to do. I might stop making a playlist and putting all that shit on my channel, because that just clogging my goddamn playlist up. I was helping y'all out, but apparently a lot of you folks don't even appreciate that shit. You don't even say, oh, thank you for putting me in your playlist. I don't even get a thank you. And I know that y'all ain't watched my last video because I asked you to write in the comment, Janita, a thumbs up, blah, blah, blah. And a lot of y'all ain't did none of that. That just let me know you ain't watched crap. Liars. But anyway, to the ones that do fully support me, thank you. I appreciate you. Y'all know I'm fully supporting y'all. And I hope y'all channels grow and y'all get monetized. Like a lot of you folks, I know a lot of you guys, because I found you when you had 5, 6 subscribers and your channel started growing because I shouted you out. People didn't know who the heck you were. You know who you are. Now y'all all monetized. Y'all ain't coming over there helping me out. I know you. I see you. But y'all ain't saying nothing to help me out. Y'all just, a lot of y'all get monetized. Y'all just leave folks in the dust. Oh, I don't need these people no more. But one thing about it, you do need us people that help you get to where you are. Because if you ain't getting a certain amount of views, your check ain't going to be no good no dang well. I used to appreciate my little $100. Took me a long time to get it, but I appreciate it. But you do need us. You do need each and every one of our view times to help you guys get a bigger check. Don't just dismiss people. Quit dismissing people. And that, I'm going to let y'all go so I can come back in here and show y'all, I guess. I don't know. I might just throw this up and let y'all just see this fuss rap about how I feel about the YT community and some of these selfish ass creators that all out for themselves and not really want to be supporting nobody. They're just trying to do for their damn self. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm through doing too. And I didn't even want to be that way. That's not even in my heart to be that way. That's why I still foolishly do what I do, because I just can't be a certain way. But I'm going to have to just try harder to be what you guys are, non-supportive. And on that note, I think I'm about to throw this up, and then I'll come back with the part 2 of my cake and all that old stuff I'm supposed to be making. Later, you non-subscribers, y'all probably ain't going to see this. And if you do, boo-hoo. Let you worry, let you cry. No, she ain't nobody. Oh, I am somebody, because I was helping you get to where you are and where you are today. If you are mountainized, yeah, I helped you get there. But anyway, God bless you. And remember, Christian folks, y'all ain't getting to heaven no faster than the rest of us. And Trump folks, no, I'm not voting for Trump. And if you vote for Trump, that's fine. And that ain't got nothing to do with us creating on this dang YT channel. So keep trying. If y'all want help, then help. If you don't, then keep it pushing.